Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today is the day that I feed my leafy green plants, and I thought I would bring you along and show you the process and what I use. So okay, when I fertilize my plants, I use Agrothrive, and I pour 8 ounces or 1 cup into my watering can. It's a 2-gallon watering can, and I hand water that way. Excuse me. I also add some 10-10-10 to it, and 2 ounces on ounce per gallon. Stir it, make sure it's mixed well, and put it together. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it, and then we can get started. Okay, here's the triple tin. And I like this because it comes with a squeeze bottle, so all I have to do is squeeze up to the appropriate line and then pour it in. So that's the first one. That's the second one. And with the Agrothrive, I've already measured 1 cup, and we'll pour it into my funnel. The Agrothrive has a smell to it, but it's nowhere near as bad as fish emulsion. And after a while, you won't even notice it anymore. Okay, next I'm going to fill up my watering can. Okay, this is a broken sprinkler nozzle, hand wand, and I use it to make sure I stir everything up. And we're going to start fertilizing. Okay, so everything's all fed and watered. I do the feedings for my leafy greens every 7 to 10 days, and it is with the Agrothrive general purpose and the triple 10 liquid, and it's been working for me. Now my root vegetables and my flowering vegetables like tomatoes and eggplants, they get the flowering formula of the Agrothrive, and that's it, nothing else. So and that's been working well also. So if you got anything out of my video, I appreciate it. That's good. And I want to thank you for coming along with me on this process. If you have any questions or suggestions, by all means, please leave me a comment and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please think about doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables, but I can't grow the channel without your help. And remember, even in small spaces, such as mine, you can grow good amounts of food for yourself and your family. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.